Hello, welcome all beta. This is Gaurav Srivastav Sir, Educator Head, Chemic Learning App, Chemic Institute, and now we are in beta lecture number 11. In today's lecture, you will learn what is trapezoidal differentiation method. Okay, beta. And from this method, one beautiful problem asked in GATE 2022, I will discuss in next lecture. Okay, after discussing predictor corrector method. सो फटाफट बेटा स्टार्ट करते हैं क्या होता है ट्रेपेजॉइडल डिफरेंशिएशन मेथड व्हाट इज ट्रेपेजॉइडल डिफरेंशिएशन मेथड नाउ बेटा सी हियर you had already learned what is Euler's explicit method, that is forward Euler method. In this method you had seen the simple formula, that is yn plus 1 equals to y n plus h f x n comma y1. What is f x y? If you are going to write dy by dx, what is dy by dx beta? Dy by dx, that means y dash. Okay, first differentiation of y with respect to x. Now see here beta, this is known as function of x comma y. Function of x comma y in place of it may be function of x and y both, or it may be just function of x, or it may be just function of y. And you in Euler's implicit, that is backward Euler's formula, you had seen the formula was yn plus 1 equals to yn plus h f x n plus 1 comma y n plus 1. The only difference present is here. Okay, and trapezoidal differentiation method is what? It is combination of these two and similar to Euler implicit. Why it is similar to Euler implicit, I will tell you later. Okay, one more thing beta, this method is more accurate. Trapezoidal differentiation method is more accurate than Euler's explicit and Euler's implicit method beta. Okay, so as I told you that this method is a combination of Euler's implicit and Euler's explicit. So you can see beta, I am going to add f xn comma yn plus f xn plus 1 comma yn plus 1. Okay, so you are using function of x comma y two times, so just I am going to take average. That means you are going to take average. In second term you are going to take average of Euler explicit and Euler implicit beta. Okay, and this is your final formula. This is your final formula for trapezoidal differentiation method. Okay, and you can see beta, it is similar to Euler's implicit. Why implicit? Because in implicit you have xn plus 1 yn plus 1 term, and here also xn plus 1 yn plus 1. That means yn plus 1 present in LHS as well as in RHS. Okay, so I will now again टेलिंग यू दिस थिंग्स इन हिंदी टू बेटा. यहाँ पे आपने देखा यूलर्स एक्सप्लिसिट और इम्प्लिसिट. आपका यूलर्स एक्सप्लिसिट फॉरवर्ड कहलाता है, इम्प्लिसिट बैकवर्ड कहलाता है. ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है, बट इन दोनों से ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट होता है, और ये इम्प्लिसिट की तरह होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों साइड इसमें वाई एन प्लस वन आता है. ठीक है. नो बेटा सी वन ब्यूटीफुल न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व बाय ट्रेपेजॉइडल मेथड. वाई डैश इक्वल्स टू 4y माइनस एक्स, वाई जीरो इक्वल्स टू 1. सो बेटा व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज योर x नॉट एंड this is your y naught. Okay, so x naught y naught is given there. So here we have to calculate y at x equals to 0.2 by taking interval, that is h 0.1 only. So clearly here beta, function of x comma y is what? This is 4y minus x, and x naught is 0, y naught is 1, h is 0.1. So x1 is x naught plus h, that means 0 plus 0.1 equals to 0.1. So now you are going to put n equals to 0 in this formula. If you are going to put n equals to 0, then this is y1, and that becomes equals to y naught plus h by 2, and inside bracket function of x naught comma y naught plus function of x1 comma y1. Okay beta, so now you can see same thing here, and now I'm going to put y naught value here, h value here, and in place of function of x naught comma y naught, that means you have to write, in place of x you are going to write x naught, in place of y you are going to write y naught. Okay beta, so here x naught, so 4y naught minus x naught, and here you are going to put x1 y1, so 4y1 minus x1. Now just put the value of x naught, x1 and y naught, then you will get this expression. After this just solve it, and you will get y1 in RHS as well as in RHS and also in LHS. So just solve for y1, and after solving it will come, after solving it will come 1.195 divided by 0.8. So it's 1.19375. 19 sorry, it's 1.49375. 1.49375. 5. Okay beta. Now once you got y1, what is this y1 beta? This is the value of y at ax equals to x1, and x1 is what? X1 was 0.1. Now calculate x2, because you have to calculate y at x equals to 0.2. This is y at x equals to 0.1, and our h value is 0.1. That means you need one more time calculation. So x2 is x1 plus h. So x1 was 0.1, h was 0.1, so here x2 will be 0.2 beta. Okay, now same formula, and you know the value of y1 1.49375. This time you are going to write in place of n1. Okay, and after solving here you will get the value of y2 equals to 1.49375, and plus, see here beta, 0.1 by 2 inside bracket 4 into y1, and y1 is 1.49375. This is y1 minus x1 was, x1 is now 0.2. Okay, plus 4 y2, I don't know the value of y2, minus x2. So x2 is, oh sorry, x1 was 0.1, x1 was 0.1, x2 was 0.2 now, x1 0.1 and x2 0.2. Okay beta, now solve it carefully. So it's 1.49375 plus 4 into 1.49375 minus 0.1 minus 0.2. Okay, and multiplied by 0.1 divided by 2. So it will come 0.28375. Okay beta, and plus 4 into 0.1, 0.4, 0.4 by 2, 0.2. So plus 0.2 y2, and this is y2 equals to, after solving it up you will get y2 equals to this 0.28375 plus 1.49375. Okay, and 0.2 in LHS, so 1 minus 0.2, 0.8, so whole divided by 0.8, it will come 2.221875 beta. Up to 2 decimal, 3 decimal place. In this type of questions they will ask you up to 3 decimal place, so you have to write 2.222. So this is the value of y at x equals to x2. And what is the value of x2? x2 is 0.2. That is our answer. I hope everyone enjoyed this lecture. If you have any problem, you can see again this lecture, or you can ask me your doubts on my this WhatsApp number, and this is your problem number 48 of numerical methods chapter is your homework. Okay, solve it and send your solution on this WhatsApp number. I will check there. Okay, आई विल नाउ अगेन गोइंग टू डिफाइन इन हिंदी टू. बेटा यहाँ ध्यान दे, बहुत ही आसान था. यहाँ पे आपका वाई डैश का मतलब होता है डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. आपने यहाँ इक्वल्स टू पुट कर दिया है. आपका ये वैल्यू होता है एक्स नॉट का, ये होता है वाई नॉट का. और आपको वाई 0.2 की वैल्यू चाहिए थी, तो जीरो से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, सो 0.2 तक जाना, यानी कि दो बार आपको करना पड़ेगा कैलकुलेशन यहाँ. सो आपने सबसे पहले x1 कैलकुलेट कर लिया, फिर फॉर्मूले के अंदर सब कुछ पुट कर दिया. फॉर्मूले के अंदर पुट करने का फॉर्मूला याद रखना बहुत ही आसान है. अगर आपको यूलर्स फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड का फॉर्मूला याद है, ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रेपेजॉइडल आप लिख लोगे. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट कॉम्बिनेशन, जस्ट अ कॉम्बिनेशन, बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट dh/2. ओके बेटा, y1 निकाल लिया आपने, y1 के बाद सिंपली आपने x2 निकाला, x2 के बाद y2 निकाल लिया. और चूंकि आपका y2 और y1 दोनों साइड रह रहा है, RHS और LHS साइड दोनों साइड, इसलिए इसे यूलर्स इम्प्लिसिट की जैसा माना जाता है. ठीक है, आई होप बेटा आप सभी लेक्चर को बहुत अच्छा एंजॉय किया होगा. ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू रिवाइज योर नोट्स एवरी बेटा. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, नोट्स को रिवाइज करना मत भूलना. एक हफ्ता ऐसा कोई नहीं जाना चाहिए जिसमें आप सब्जेक्ट के अदर सब्जेक्ट्स के नोट्स को टच ना करो, अगर आप रैंक चाहते हो 100 और बिटवीन 1 to 100. ऑल द बेस्ट बेटा. वी विल मेट अगेन in next lecture soon. Take care.